how to mute notifications for 15 minutes on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute notifications for 15 minutes on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and then click this settings icon in the top corner, and now click here, notifications and sounds. And now all you need to do is just click here, this one, and select 15 minutes and click OK. And as you see now, notifications has been muted for 15 minutes. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.